Upgrade your game with the best golf watches, track distances, monitor your swings, and get real-time course data to improve your performance on the green. Perfect for golfers of all levels. Starting at number 1. Garmin Approach S12. Garmin Approach S12 GPS Golf Watch. Black, model 0/02472000. A simple, easy-to-use GPS golf watch designed for players who want essential on-course information right on their wrist. It comes preloaded with 42,000 plus golf courses worldwide, provides precise yardages to the front, middle, and back of the green, hazards and dog legs, and lets you track scores and key distances during your round. With sunlight-readable display and up to 30 hours of battery life in GPS mode, it's a reliable companion for every golfer. Number 2. TecTecTec ULT-G Stylish. TecTecTec ULT-G Stylish, lightweight and multifunctional golf GPS watch, black. A user-friendly golf GPS watch designed to give you essential course data with simplicity and accuracy. It comes preloaded with over 38,000 courses worldwide and features automatic course recognition and hole progression so you can get distances to the front, middle, and back of the green as soon as you arrive on the tee. With a durable wristband, easy-to-read LCD display, long battery life lasting through multiple rounds, and no subscription fees for course updates, the ULT-G is a practical and affordable choice for golfers of all levels. Number 3. Garmin Approach S44. Garmin Approach S44. Essential Golf GPS Smartwatch. Silver aluminum bezel with black silicone band. A stylish and capable golf GPS smartwatch featuring a bright 1.2 AMOLED touchscreen display and over 43,000 preloaded golf courses worldwide. It gives you precise yardages to the front, middle, and back of the green, helps you navigate hazards and layups, and lets you keep score right from your wrist. With up to 15 hours of battery life in GPS mode and smart notifications, it's perfect for golfers who want essential on-course features plus everyday smartwatch convenience in a lightweight, durable design. Number 4. T11 LT GPS Golf Watch. Voice Caddie T11 LT GPS Golf Watch. A feature-rich golf watch with a 1.2-inch color touchscreen LCD that gives you essential on-course insights and practice tools. It comes preloaded with over 40,000 golf courses worldwide and includes advanced features like green undulation heat maps and slope calculations for more reliable yardages. The watch also offers practice tempo mode, course view with hazard yardages, and automatic shot and putt tracking with auto score recording, helping you focus more on your game without extra fees or subscriptions. Number 5. Garmin Approach S50. Garmin Approach S50. Advanced Golf GPS Smartwatch. Slate aluminum bezel with black comfort fit nylon band. A versatile golf-focused smartwatch with a bright 1.2 AMOLED touchscreen display and 43,000 plus preloaded golf courses worldwide for accurate on-course yardages to the front, middle, and back of the green, as well as hazards and layups. It offers features like PlaysLike distance for adjusted shot yardages, wrist-based heart rate and health tracking, and smartwatch functions such as notifications, Garmin Pay, TM, and activity profiles, plus up to 15 hours of battery life in GPS mode, all in a lightweight, comfortable design that's ideal for golfers who want both performance and everyday use.